Tired of relying on referrals alone? Let's transform your real estate business into a lead-generating powerhouse in just 90 seconds. First, optimize your online presence. Make sure you have a professional website that's mobile-friendly and showcases your listings with high-quality photos and virtual tour. Next, dominate social media. Consistently post engaging content relevant to your local market, such as market updates, neighborhood spotlights, and client testimonials. And don't forget to use targeted ads to reach potential buyers and sellers in your area. Now, network like a pro, attend local events, join community organizations, and connect with other professionals like mortgage brokers and home inspectors. These connections can become valuable sources of referrals. Don't underestimate community engagement. Sponsoring local events, volunteering for local causes, and supporting neighborhood initiatives builds trust and positions you as the go-to real estate expert in your community. Host open houses strategically, promote them extensively online and offline, and make sure to collect contact information from every attendee to follow up with them afterwards. Implement email marketing automation. Create targeted email campaigns to nurture leads, provide valuable content, and stay top of mind with potential clients. This can be achieved by creating dedicated lead magnets on your website. Finally, always ask for referrals from satisfied clients. A personal recommendation is still one of the most powerful ways to generate new leads, so ensure a referral strategy is in place. Implement these strategies and watch your lead flow explode, boosting your real estate success.